Hey y'all, this is Nisa Keiko and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to Jisoo Earthquake official music video. This is going to be my first time watching Jisoo music video. I love it. Ain't she in her acting bag right now? Come on, Jisoo. What an interesting phone case. Wait, what happened? Oh!
문자에 답변하시기 전에 몇 가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다.
Wait, all of a sudden she's like a different
그 남자에
hairstyle.
대한
I
당신의
didn't
진짜
realize.
마음은 뭡니까?
It hits me like an earthquake.
Ooh.
빠르게 my heart race.
Okay.
온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널
Yes.
붙잡을 수 없게. I think I'm gonna 심장 어떠잘 마치 race car. 시간조차 fast 숨이 멎게. 벗어나려 할수록 너는 짙어져. 알면서 깨어날 수 없는 꿈처럼. 그래서 시작하면 after 지금 about to blow, about to blow, about to blow, about to blow. It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm
Cute. Jisoo. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right here. The hairstyles. Yes, the acting. Oh, it hits me like an earthquake. Yes. I do love the song. Yo. Yeah, she's given visuals. I love the style, the production,
electric.
the makeup, the
You give me the go-go
from every angle, yes.
가져야겠어. 벗어나려 할수록 너는 짙어져. 알면서 깨어날 수 없는 꿈처럼. 그래서 시작하면 after 지금 about to blow, about to blow, about to blow, about to blow. It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna.
Hey. I get to see everyone doing this dance. I love her in glasses. The hairstyle.
It hits me like an earthquake.
Yes, Jisoo.
온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna.
Hey. I love the dance moves. She's intense. She says send. Yes. It hits me like an earthquake. Uh, mhm, mhm. I love that. I love her in this auburn hair. The music video. Love the music video. Love the visuals. Love the dance move. But yes, I could see so many people doing those dance moves. I love the song. It's different. Like I thought it was gonna go a little bit harder. Like when she say earthquake, I thought it was gonna like boom like a little bit harder. But what she gave was a sweet spot. You know, it hits me like an earthquake. So it's like she brought it down. Uh, so it wasn't like boom in your face. It was more like it hits me like an earthquake and then like, but let me sit on it, kind of. Okay, y'all. That was my first reaction to Jisoo. If you want to leave any recommendations, you can comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. I love it. I take it all. All right, y'all. Bye. It hits me like an earthquake.